What is future value? Future value is the value at a given future date of an amount placed on deposit today and earning interest at a specified rate. So that is future value. Ang given dito, magkano siya ngayon? Okay, given magkano siya ngayon. Ang hinahanap natin, magkano siya sa future. Magkano siya sa future. Yun ang hinihingi pag future value. What is the assumption that we use in computing for future value? We are assuming that interest is compound. It means that interest is earned on a given deposit and has become part of the principal at the end of the principal period. Ang assumption natin, ang interest or the interest that we earn for a certain period, next year, kasama na siya sa principal natin. Okay? Yung interest, it will be included in the principal for the next period. So that is the assumption of compound interest. Let's now have a sample problem. Okay, the sample problem is Anna places 1,000 pesos in a savings account, paying 5% interest compounded annually. As you can observe, sa problems, ine-emphasize na yung interest, compound interest. Compound interest. Compounded annually. She wants to know how much money will be in the account at the end of 3 years. Okay? Ang given, magkano siya ngayon? So ngayon, it is 1,000 pesos. Ang tinatanong, magkano siya 3 years from now? So let's have an illustration para mas maintindihan natin ang problem. Okay, yun. Okay. Okay ha. Now means 0. Okay? This is time. Time. So 0 or now, 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. So nandito tayo ngayon at 0. Today, 0. Ngayon, meron tayong 1,000 pesos. Ang tinatanong sa atin, magkano siya on the 3rd year? Magiging magkano siya on the 3rd year? Okay. How do we solve for this? Okay ha, ang gagawin natin, we solve this one by one. Ia-analyze natin anong mangyayari sa 1,000 pesos na to. Let's go to the end of year 1. Okay. At the end of year 1, okay, at the end of year 1, di ba meron ng isang period? Meron ng isang period. So, ang gagawin natin is 1,000 times 1 plus interest rate. 1,000 pesos times 1 plus interest rate. So, magkano na siya at the end of first year? Okay, ang tinatanong, at the end of first year. So, at the end of first year, it will now become 1,050 pesos. 1,050 pesos. Okay? 1,050 pesos. Kasi the interest for the first period is 50 pesos. 50 pesos ang interest. Yun, 1,050 pesos. Ito, this is the crucial part. Sir, what do we do at the end of year 2? Ia-add ba namin yung 50 pesos? Will we add it? Okay, gagamitin ba natin yung 50 pesos as interest? Okay, malalaman natin sa next. The answer is no. Okay? No. Why? Because the assumption that we use is compounded interest. Compounded interest. What does it mean? Tingnan nyo, at the end of year 1, ang principal na ginamit natin, 1,000 pesos. Okay? At the end of year, okay, for year 1, ito ang ginamit natin as principal. However, tingnan nyo at the end of year 2 or at the start of year 2. Our principal is now 1,050 pesos. Okay? 1,050 pesos. Doon natin i-multiply ang 1 plus 5%. Okay? Sa 1,050 pesos. Rather than 1,000 pesos. Okay? So that, okay ha, ito yung conclusion na compounded ang interest. So 1,050 pesos times 1 plus 0.05. So at the end of year 2, the balance that we have is 1,102 pesos and 50 centavos. At the end of second year, this is the balance that we have. Or, okay, may shortcut to. May shortcut to pag cycle ang ginagamit natin. Sa cycle, pwede nyo tong gawin. 1,000 pesos times 1.05 raised to 2. Raised to 2. So ito, to the power of 2. Okay, to the power of 2. Okay, so that's it for year 2. Okay, so the reason why I did this is I want to emphasize compounded ang interest. Compounded ang interest. Hindi siya katulad dati. Kasi siguro sa senior high, most of the time ang ginagamit natin simple interest. However, it's not reliable. Let's now go for year 3. Ano kaya ang mangyayari? Okay. Tingnan natin anong nangyari at the end of year 3. Okay? Tingnan natin. 1,000 pesos times 1 plus 0.05 times 1 plus 0.05 times 1 plus 0.05 equals 1,157.625. So, okay, ito yung value niya at the end of year 3. Okay, or at year 3. Ito yung value niya. 1,157.625. Or, the same kanina, 1,000 pesos times 1.05 raised to 3. 1,000 pesos times 1.05 raised to 3. Bakit 3? 3 means 3 periods. Okay? 3 periods. So, okay ha? I will illustrate what is a period. This is 1 period. This is 1 period again. And finally, ito, isang period na naman. So, kaya, raised to 3. Kasi, tatlong periods. So, ito yung sagot. 1,157.625.